Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my updated makeup tutorial, so just please like, comment, and subscribe, and just comment down below what you guys want to see next. So let's just get into this video. Hey guys, alright, so we're going to be moving on to the James Charles palette that I use 24/7, and we're going to be using these two browns on my brows. But first, we got to pull up my hair real quick, so let's do that. Okay, first we got to brush these fluffy boys out real quick, so let's brush them out. So, like I said, pack the two browns to the brush. I like this song, don't mind me. And let's speed this process up while I'm trying to fill in my brows. Damn, I haven't had my eyebrows this good in a while. We're doing good, boys. I'm over here checking myself out. My brows be popping though. Like, they never match, like literally, but they look good. Okay guys, if you guys didn't know what I was showing you guys, it was brow gel. That's what I'm using to coat my brows. So yeah. We onto the lashes now, bitches, and we got the duo glue with it. You know the deal. I'm vibing, we're chilling, this video is lit, and let's just struggle. Yeah guys, in a few minutes I'll be struggling with the eyelashes, but we're gonna fast mode this because don't want you guys see me struggling. Alright, cool, finally we're on to the blush. We're done with lashes so you guys don't see me struggling. But yeah, I love to put this blush all over my like cheeks because it makes me like rosy pink and cute. And it's just because it's my favorite blush and it sets perfectly on my skin. You guys seen this highlight palette so many of times in my videos, but it's the Strobe Glow palette. We're using those exact same highlights that I use all the time because it's beautiful and a natural glow, and we're gonna be spraying this all over my face because that's how you're gonna make it extra glowy. We're on to the mascara now. I bet you guys are wondering why I had so many mascaras. It's just because they're all dried out and everything, but yeah, I'm just coating them all onto my lashes to make them dark enough because they're all dried out, but I'm making it work. Alright boys, we're on to the lip gloss now. We're using the chapstick first because my lips get really chapped, but yeah, and we're gonna be using the lip gloss next because it makes it extra like smell good. That's why I'm like, damn, smells bomb as hell, and it makes my lips even more glowy. Alright guys, this is the end of the video here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys like about this video. And just comment down below if you guys like this really basic look. This is my basic look I do every day. My basic makeup tutorial. So yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.